Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we learned about the definitions of union, intersection, difference, complement of a set, universal set, and subset, proper sets. Today we are doing the sums according to this using union intersections. In the previous class, I said exercise 5b, that all are definitions only, no need to do that once. Exercise 5c is the sums. In this one, limit of the sums is only up to 6 Romans. In that first one is A, B, C, D, B is B, C, E, C is A, B, E. Find the B union C. The given question is B union C. So first we have to write the solution for this sum. B elements are B, C, E. Union C elements are A, B, E. Now we want to write B union C. What is called B union C means combining of two sets. This writing of all. U means all, writing of all the sets. B comma C comma E. First one completed. Next one is A, B already there, E already there. So writing in that order A comma B comma C comma E. In alphabetical order arrangement I did that once. This is about the first sum C ones. So this is the given ones. A, B, E. B is B, C, E. C is A, B, E. B union C is B, C, E, A. B, C, E. A, B already there, E already there, so no need to repetition. Writing of an order A comma B comma C comma E. And the next sum is C here. Okay, here is the third sum in this Roman. In the first sum only, third one. In the first Roman, third one. A union C. That means we have to write that now the elements of A. What are the elements of A? A, B, C, D. Union. The elements of C, A comma B comma E. Now what I have to write? Union. U means all. Writing of all the elements you have to write. A comma B comma C comma D. First set is over. Going to second set. A already there. B already there. Next one is E. The answer for this sum is A comma B comma C comma D comma E. This is about that third sum. Next sum is C here. Okay, here is the third sum. Next one is that means the fourth one in the sum. In the first Roman, fourth one, A intersection B. What the elements of A are? A comma B comma C comma D intersection. C elements are B comma C comma E. B comma C comma E. Now what we have to write here? In this ones, the common one, which is common in this two. In this two, which is common, we have to write. In this two, which is common? B, B, C, C. So answer for this sum is B comma C. Answer for this sum is B comma C. Whether you can write like this circle once or you can do by bone. B comma C by keeping in mind. So coming to this 8th class, we have to keep in mind and we have to do that once. B comma C are common ones. So answer is B comma C. The union for this sum is B comma C. And the next sum is C here. So here is the sum B intersection C. B intersection C. Write the elements of B set. The B set elements are B comma C comma E intersection. C set elements are A comma B comma E. What we have to do here? Intersection. Intersection means taking out of common ones. In these two, which are common? B. B is there. So write that B. C is not there. Leave that. E. E is there. So which are common in the both sets? That one we have to write. That is called intersection. So B intersection C answer is B comma E. B comma E. With this one, first Roman is completed. I am writing that one now, third Roman. See the third Roman here. Okay, here is the third sum. Let A is equal to 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma 8. B is given the set 4, 6, 8, 9. 4 elements in the first set. Second set B is having 4 elements. Whatever it may be, we have to do that one subtraction. What is that here? Subtraction. Don't read it as subtraction. This is called difference. So first one is A minus B. The elements of A we have to write. The elements of A 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma 8 minus 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9. Difference. What is the meaning of difference? What is the meaning of difference? Remains in the first set is called difference. Remains in the first set. So what is remains means cancellation. Do the cancellation the same common one. 4, 4. 8, 8. Any common elements are there? No. So answer is remains in first set, only first set elements 1 comma 7. Don't write that second set, leave that once. In second set so many numbers are also there, and biggest numbers whatever it may be, don't take that second set, only first set we have to take. That is called A minus B. A minus B. That is the difference. Here difference means remains in the first set. So 4 is cancelled, 8 is cancelled. What are the remaining in the first set? 1 comma 7. That is the answer for our sum. And the next sum is B minus A. I am doing that one, B minus A, second sum. B minus A. What are the elements of B? 4, 6, 8, 9 minus A elements are 1, 4, 7, 8. Now strike off that ones. 4, 4, 8, 8. B minus A we are writing. That is B minus A. We are doing that one, B minus A. The B minus A is remains in the first set. The first set is having 6 comma 9. So answer for the third sum is this one. A minus B means 1 comma 7. B minus A means 6 comma 9. So which is remains in the first set, only we have to write that is the answer for that our sum. Only remains in the first set is called answer. And the next sum is here. So here the question is given like this. The symbol represents universal set. The symbol represents universal set. The universal set is X such that X belongs to Z. How to read this one already said. The numbers between minus 4 to 4. And we have to take that 4 and minus 4 also. Or we have to read it as X is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than or equal to 4. X is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than or equal to 4. And the B is X belongs to Z means integers. That is X is less than 4. X is less than 4. B is equal to X such that X belongs to natural numbers. That this also 2 is less than X less than or equal to 4. Don't read like that. X is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 4. Here what we have to find means A complement and second one is B complement. Before doing that one, any sum, we have to do compulsory the roster form. Without roster form, we cannot do that any sum. First change these sums to roster form. I am writing that one roster form first. The set we have to do with commas only, not with like this small format of X such that X. Changing of that one. The universal set is, so minus 4 onwards start. Take that minus 4 also. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now A is equal to, what are the elements of A? Z. Z means integers. Z means integers. Sorry, once see the question here. So W belongs to whole numbers. So write that one. 0, 1, 2, 3. Don't write that 4 because of the underline is not there. Next one is B. What are the elements of B? Natural numbers you have to start. The natural numbers, that is from where to where? 2 to 4. That means 2 after 3, 4. Here I did not take 2 but I take 4. What is the difference between these two? Here I took that 4, I took this 4, I am not taking this 2. Why? Because the 2 is not having underline and here 4 is having underline. That means take that 4, don't take that 2. If underline is there, take that number. If underline is not there, don't take that number. Here underline is not there. That's why in this set, here 4, below 4 means 3. In this one 4, that 4 also we collected here. The 4 also we took here. So this is about the roster form only, not sum. So first given question format we have to change it to roster form. This is that one. Minus 4 to 4 and next one is less than 4 and here it is from 3 comma 4. That means more than 2 means 3 and 4. So here I wrote that once. Now I will do that sum continuation. The first one is A dash. What is the meaning of A dash? Means complement. A complement means universal set minus A. If P dash means universal set minus P. Z dash means universal Z minus dash. If I dash means universal Z minus out. So like that we have to do that once. Now what are the elements of the universal set? The universal set in the question is given -4 to 4. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus, we have to take that one. What is the elements of A? The elements of A, they given that one below 4 numbers in whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. Don't take that 4. So common ones take off 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That enough. 4 is not there, so don't strike off. Now A complement is remains in first set. Difference means remains in first set. -4, -3, -2, -1, -4, 4. The last one is 4. This is about this first one A complement. Now we have to do that one B complement. So here B complement means universal set minus B. So I wrote that universal set. B complement means universal set minus B. Universal set already I written that once. Now B elements are, the B is 3, 4. B is 3, 4. Take that 3, 4. Now common ones 3, 3, 4, 4. We are doing subtraction now, that's why take off. B dash means the common ones, after taking common ones, remains in the first universal set. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. This is the answer for B dash. B dash. Now what is that A dash and B dash? A complement and B complement. Universal set minus A, universal set minus B. The universal set is given here 4 to -4. And A is given 0, 1, 2, 3. B is given 3, 4. Now subtraction. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is universal set. Minus B is 3, 4. Strike off 3, 3, 4, 4. Answer remaining in the first set is -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1, 2. This is answer for B dash. Like that in the previous sum we did that one A dash. In that A dash 0, 1, 2, 3 strike off. Answer for that sum is last one will get 4. So this is about that sum. And the next sum is that sixth sum we have to see now. Here this universal set is there. X is that X is factors of 144. A is the factors of 24. B is factors of 36. C is factors of 48. We have to find that one. First sum is A complement. Factors. How will you find the factors? Means from the 4th class onwards we are finding the factors. Here I am writing the factors. How to find that one? Just for 144 remaining factors I will write that once. 144 factors is 1 into 144, 2 into 72, 2 into 72, 3 into 4 times, 24 is 8 times, 5 table, no, 4 table, 4 table, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 24 is 6 times, 5 table it will not come, 6 table, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 7 table, no, 8 table, 8 1s are 8, so it is not possible. Next one is like that we have to write the factors of 8 into 8 1s are 8. So 64 is 8 times. 9 table 144. 9 table 144. 9 into 1 1s are 1. So 54 is 16 times. 16 times 7 table no. 10 table no. 11 table no. 12 table 12 tables are 144. So repetition came. Up to repetition came, we have to write that all the numbers. That means factors of 144 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72, 144. These are the factors of the 144. Here clearly I will write the factors of 144. So you can follow from that factors. So see here once. That is universal set. Like that A, B, C, D we have to write. Okay, here is the universal set. Factors of 144. First one. A is factors of 24. B is factors of 36. C is factors of 48. Now we have to find that one. First question is given A dash. The question given is A dash. A dash means universal set minus A. The universal set minus A. That means here we strike off the common ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. The A dash values remains in the universal set, that is 9, 16, 18, 36, 48, 72, 1, 44. So this is that A dash. This is A dash, like that B dash, like that C dash also we have to find. Universal set onwards you have to strike off which are remains in the universal set, that is A dash. Here you have to take out B and cancel that 12, 18 and 36, it will gives that one B dash. If you cancel this one 36, 24, 48, then it will gives that one C dash. Like that we have to find A dash, B dash, C dash. I find that one only A dash. The A dash answer is universal set minus A. This onwards this one. Strike off that universal set on in that A dash values. So the A values are strike off 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 is not there, so 12 and next one is 24, strike off. Answer is that A dash. So okay, 7th sum I took that once. In the one 7th one, A intersection B dash. What are the values of A? Write that once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the values of factors of 24 and the A intersection. B dash means take off the B values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, strike off 9, strike off 12, alright, strike off 18, and next one is 36. Here strike off that one B dash. What are left? 1 strike off, 2 strike off, 3 strike off, 4 strike off, 6, and next one is 9, 12, these are. Right here the sums that are 1 is not there, so here onwards 8, B dash values I am writing B dash. B dash means remains in A. So B8, 16, 24, 48, 72, 144. That is B dash values. Here we are doing intersection. The meaning of intersection is common ones. Which are common here? So tick mark, give the tick mark 8, 24, 24. Therefore, A intersection B dash is equal to 8, 24. 8, 24. Intersection means common ones. Which are common, we have to pick up from that one. This is B dash. Don't write that B. Remaining elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These ones take off from that universal set and write that ones. B dash means take off in universal set and write that remaining in the universal set. This is about that. This question number 7. Here is the last sum and the next sum. So here is our last sum, 10th sum. A minus B intersection C. So here bracket value we have to first find. B intersection C. What are the elements of B? The elements of B are factors of 36. 36 in which table it will comes? 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, 9 table. Next one is 36. In which table 36? 3 table, 12 3s are 36, 18 times 36. Intersection. What is the C? The value of C is factors of 48. Factors of 48 means 1 table 2 times 48, 2 table 48, 3 table, 4 table 48, 5 table no, 6 table yes, 7 table no, 8 table yes, 9 table 48 no. Next one is 10 table no, 12 table yes, 12 4s are 48. So 12 table, 13 table no, 14 table no, 15 table no, 16 table yes. Next one is 32 table, comma here factors of 48, 24, comma 48. So these are the factors of 48. 16 table 3 times, last number is 36. Now in these two, which are common? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So this answer is writing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Put the box for this one without confusion. Without getting confusion for us, we have to write that one, draw the box. Now we have to find A minus B intersection C. What are the values of A? A values means that is the factors of 24. 24 factors. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 24. 4 table also possible. 5 table, no. 6 table, yes. 6 4 are 24. 7 table, no. 8 table, 8 3s are 24. 9 table, no. 12 2s are 24, and next one is 24 table minus, we have to write this one B intersection C. They given that in the question B intersection C. So B intersection C answer is in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What we have to do here? Everybody see once. So here A answer means factors of 24. A answer is factors of 24. B intersection C value, now only we find that one. That answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Strike off the common ones here. What we are doing is minus. So strike off 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 12, 12. A minus B intersection C is equal to, what are the left in the first set? 8, 24. The remaining ones in the first set is 8, 24. This is the box is the answer for this sum. In this one only 8, 24 is left. So 8, 24 is the answer for our sum. So union means writing off all. Intersection means the common ones. Difference means remains in the first one. Remains in the first one is called subtraction difference. So with this one sum is completed here. Thank you for today.